Welcome back to my e-estate video. I am very excited to announce that we are going to Washington DC on the 13th of June to celebrate 1 year anniversary of e-estate. So my story with e-estate is really interesting because I started e-estate, my first property in e-estate, I purchased it around July 2025. So that means I started e-estate just 1 month after they launched globally to everybody, right? So this is great because we are just getting started. So if you would like to attend this 1 year live summit in Washington DC, please register with the link below this video description because the ticket is going really fast, right? So the ticket is just only $53, right? So please make sure if you are in e-estate or you are looking to learn more about e-estate, this event is going to blow your mind. It's going to open your mind to things that you don't know before, right? So again, as I said, it's a key milestone in the development of a global tokenized real estate ecosystem. Over the past year, e-estate has evolved from the concept to a functioning platform with real assets, active participants like us, right? Like you watching this video, and we are also growing internationally, as you know already. So the summit is dedicated to reviewing that journey and then analyzing all the results that we have had for this past 1 year and defining the next stage of growth in e-estate. A lot of people that have been lined up for the event that are going to talk about the event. For example, we have Anthony DeLoach, we have Brandon Ivy, and then we have Daryl Potter, and then we have Von Morel. So all these guys, including one and only Eric Thomas. If you don't know him, please go and Google him because we are having him in the house, guys. We are having Eric in the house. So he's a motivational speaker. For those of you that don't know him, right? As I said, go to the internet, Google this guy, Eric Thomas. Is one of the guys that are going to be talking in that event. Okay, just to give you an idea, right? This is Google, right? Just go Google Eric Thomas. It will tell you everything you need to know about this guy. Is one of the guest speakers that is appearing on that day. It's going to be in our presence that day. So guys, do not sit on the fence. Okay, grab your ticket just now and make sure that you attend this event. For those of you that are looking to join e-estate, by all means, the link to also join e-estate is below this video description because I know it's not everybody that is going to be able to make it to this occasion, right? But if you are sitting on the sidelines for this long and then now you decided to join, then by all means, the link to also register is below this video description, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys in Washington, and don't forget to contact me if you are struggling with anything I have said so far, right? If you are struggling to register for the event or you are struggling to register in e-estate to become a member of e-estate, contact me through my WhatsApp, Telegram, or even message me on Facebook Messenger, right? So otherwise, I will see you guys in Washington. Thank you and God bless.